Good day everyone, my name is Brian J. Tuazon. I'm from VC1F, and now I will discuss the topic collisions in two dimensions of the subject Physics for Engineers. Now I will show you an example about collisions in two dimensions. Vehicle A with a mass 1,500 kg traveling east with a speed of 25 meter per second collides at an intersection with vehicle B with mass of 2,500 kg traveling north with a speed of 20 meter per second. Find the magnitude and direction of the velocity of the wreckage immediately after the collision. Assuming that the vehicles undergo a perfectly inelastic collision, and assuming that friction between the vehicles and the road can be neglected. So, ang vehicle A daw, vehicle A, yung nagta-travel, pupunta sa east. So, ito siya. Punta sa east. Yung speed nito is 25 meter per second. Then ang kanyang mass is equals to 1,500 kilogram. Then nag-collide daw siya sa intersection. So for example, ito yung intersection. Ito naman, nag-collide naman siya sa vehicle B na papunta sa north, na may speed na 20 meter per second. And ang kanyang mass is equals to 2,500 kilograms. So, assuming daw na ang collision is perfectly inelastic. So, ibig sabihin, kung ito yung ating plane, inelastic collision siya, ibig sabihin ang magiging final velocity niyan ay pupunta dito. So ito nga yung kukuhanin natin na velocity at yung theta. So una, i-calculate muna natin yung x component. So at x, P initial or momentum initial is equals to mass ng vehicle A multiply to the velocity initial of vehicle A. So equal yan, yung mass ng vehicle A 1,500 multiply to 25 meter per second. Nasagot dyan ay 37,500 kilogram times meter per second. So, ito na yung momentum at x. Pero ang kukuhanin natin dito is yung x. So, may have yan, plane. At ito yung angle, theta. Ito yung y, at ito yung x. So, hahanapin natin yung final velocity, ang component na x and y. So, P final at x is equals to mass ng vehicle A plus mass ng vehicle B multiply to velocity, final velocity, since yung x at x nga to, cosine theta. So ito na yung gagamitin nating formula for final momentum at x. So input lang natin yung mass A, vehicle A 1,500 kg plus mass ng vehicle V vehicle B, 2,500 kilogram, multiply to final velocity cosine theta. So, 1,500 plus 2,500, 4,000 kilogram, multiply to B final cos theta. So, ito na yung formula natin for final momentum at X. Then, dito naman tayo sa Y. At Y. So, gawin lang natin yung kanina. The initial at Y. So, ito at X to is equals to mass ng vehicle B and yung kanyang velocity, initial velocity ng B. So, equal yan sa mass ng B, 2,500 kilogram, multiply to velocity na 20 meter per second. So, initial momentum at Y is equals to 50,000 kilogram times meter per second. So, ito na yung initial momentum at Y. So, kunin naman natin ang formula for final momentum at Y. So, equal siya sa M A, mass ng A, plus mass ng B, multiply to V final. So, since Y, ano to? Y at Y, ito siya, sin, sine. So, since Y component siya, sine theta. Then, input lang, mass ng A, plus mass ng B. So, ito yon, nagiging 4,000 kilogram multiply to V final sine theta. Ito na yung dalawang formula natin to get the final momentum. So, di ba nga, P initial is equals to P final. So, ang ito, yung momentum, final momentum at X, equal na rin siya sa 37,500 kg times meter per second. Kasi, ito yung initial momentum. So, di ba, ang initial momentum ay equal sa final momentum. So, at X, yung initial momentum natin is 37,500 kg meter per second. Equal na rin siya dito sa final momentum. So, we have 37,500 kilogram times meter per second is equals to 40,000 kilogram multiply to V final cos theta. Then at Y, ito yung initial momentum natin at Y, 50,000 kilogram meter per second is equals to 40,000 kilogram multiply to V final sine theta. So, ito na yung dalawang formula natin. So, pwede na natin makuha yung theta sa pamamagitan nito. So, kahit alin dyan. So, pwede na natin makuha yung theta. So, theta is equals to tan arctan y over x. So, yung y over x na to, ito yung at x. at y, no? Momentum. So, theta equals to at tan yung y 50,000 kilogram meter per second over 37,500 kilogram meter per second. Ang magiging theta na natin ngayon is equals to 53.13 degrees. So, dahil nakuha na natin yung theta, makukompute na natin yung final velocity. So, sa dalawang equation na to, pwede kang pumili kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin. So, gamitin na lang natin yung at y. So, 50,000 kilogram times meter per second is equals to 40,000 kilogram B final sin theta. So, ang kukunin natin dito is final velocity. Divide both side by 40,000 kilogram sin theta. So, dito din B final is equals to 50,000 kilogram times meter per second over 40,000 kilogram sin theta. Then input lang B final is equals to 50,000 kilogram times meter per second over 40,000 kilogram yung sin theta natin na 53.13 degrees. So, yan equals sa 15.63 meter per second. So, ito na yung final velocity natin. When the two vehicle collides at a theta of 53.13 degrees.